I'm doing an open house today at 95 Town and Country Drive in Stafford, Virginia. It's really a big, beautiful house. You can see it through the woods. So now you can see it a little bit better. Beautiful facade with the stone. It's a big 3-acre lot. Total privacy. 3-car garage and a separate garage over here for your tractor. Total privacy here. Yep, this is the back of the house here. Wonderful backyard with a really big pool. Hot tub. A deck. It was really nice, really nice property. Okay, now we're inside. It's a really big house, some 8,000 square feet. And this is as you walk in the front door, the dining room, foyer. And here's the powder room, office slash bedroom. And beautiful staircase. And then you walk into this big, beautiful kitchen. Stainless steel appliances, a big island. Open house donuts. Don't worry, I ate a couple of them. And then here's the breakfast nook. And big family room. A beautiful fireplace, gas fireplace. Everything's nice and open. You walk here to the garage, the laundry room, and then downstairs. And now I'm upstairs looking down on the family room. Just beautiful. And then here is the master bedroom. Really big. Really big. And it's got a sitting room here. 2 big walk-in closets. And this luxury bathroom. Just beautiful. You got hers and her sinks, vanities on both sides. Huge walk-in shower. See? Just a beautiful bathroom. With the doors shut. And then back out. And you walk this way out to the foyer. And we have a bedroom here with its own bathroom. Here's the 2-story foyer. And then another bedroom here with its own bath again. So it's a wonderful home. Doing an open house today. All right, now let's go downstairs. Okay, now we get to the good part down here in the basement. It's the man cave. And this is just awesome. It's so big down here, there's so much room. It's a big, beautiful bar. Plenty of room for your pool table, friends and family. And you walk outside to the pool. And look how nice. Nice landscaping. I guess we're filling the pool up, getting ready for summer. And the driveway is so big, there's plenty of parking up there. You see they got the RV. All right, back inside. Okay, so we're back inside here in the basement of this beautiful home. And has a full workout room. Big enough to fit all kinds of equipment. Full bath down here. And you have storage and a play area here where you can practice putting golf. So, yeah, this is a really nice home. Come on by. It's 95 Town and Country. And I'll be here till 3. You can always call me at 540-379-8982. Thank you. Have a great day.